We're making potato salad, the most awesome summertime salad. My grandma used to make a fantastic potato salad. My mom makes a fantastic potato salad, and I make a fantastic potato salad. Let's get started. In this bowl, I have 3 large russet potatoes that I have boiled until the potatoes became tender. So using a fork, you can pierce through them easily. Let them cool for about a half an hour and then chop them up into somewhat large pieces, little cubes. I like to leave the chunks just a little on the larger side because as I mix the salad together, some of the potatoes will cream and you'll still get nice pieces left behind. I generously salted the water that I boiled the potatoes in. I added 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mixed it up. It adds a nice brightness to the potatoes. You can also use plain vinegar. In this medium-sized bowl, I have cut up 6 Gherkin Pickles and 3 Dill Pickles. I chopped them up finely. To this bowl, I'm going to add a half of a cup of full-fat mayonnaise. I'm also going to add my punch of flavor. Here I have a teaspoon of salt, a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half of a teaspoon of onion powder, a half of a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika. Today I'm using a sweet paprika. I like the smoky sweetness that it adds, and an 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add that to your medium-sized bowl. Get in there. Here I have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. If you don't like Dijon mustard, you can add plain yellow mustard or whatever type of mustard you like. Mix this all up. Don't get any on your doily. Add your mixture to your potatoes. It's time to add the eggs. I've boiled 6 eggs and I've cut them up into little pieces. Like the potatoes, cut the eggs and the potato into whatever size that you like and stick with that size. Just make it consistent. Here I have 2 celery stalks that I have finely chopped. 4 green onions that I have also finely chopped. And a quarter of a cup of fresh chopped parsley. I have finely chopped it. Mix it up. Oops. Try not to spill everything on the floor. This looks really nice and creamy. I don't think I'll have to add any extra mayo. If you leave your potatoes and eggs, the cats are insane. If you leave your potatoes and your eggs a little larger, when you mix it up, you can be a bit rougher when you mix it up and not worry about smushing everything and having a mashed potato left behind. I'm not the most delicate person, so I tend to just mix it roughly. Everything I have in the bowl is already chilled. If you are making it on the spot, just refrigerate this for a minimum of 2 hours. I would leave it overnight, but 2 to 4 hours is good, and you can serve it. You can put some paprika on top, boil a few extra eggs, and chop them up and place them to decorate, some parsley, whatever you like. I am going to transfer the potato salad to a more decorative bowl. I'm going to simply sprinkle some of the sweet paprika on top. Gives it a little bit of color. And place a couple sprigs of fresh parsley on top. So simple. Because I had everything chilled ahead of time, this potato salad is ready to eat. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you again next time.